Sa ganito, maraming nalilito kapag magkakaiba na yung sign. Okay? So, for example, negative 3 plus 4 equals, again, kapag magkaiba ang sign, subtraction. Okay? Susubtract natin yan. Tandaan. So, negative 3 plus 4, magiging subtraction, magiging negative 3 minus 4 is equals to 1. So, negative or positive? Positive, kasi mas mataas si 4 or positive 4. Kaya, copy the highest sign. Again, subtraction, but copy the highest sign. Okay? Next. 5 plus negative 3. So, kapag ganyan, syempre, hindi natin pwede pagsamahin ang magkaibang sign. Kaya, nilagyan natin ng parenthesis. So, ang ginagawa ko dito, pinagmumultiply ko muna. So, positive times negative, magiging negative. Therefore, magiging 5 minus 3. Ganyan siya. So, the answer is 5 minus 3 is positive 2. Kasi mas mataas ang sign ni 5 kumpara kay negative 3. Kaya ang sagot is positive 2. Okay, next. Negative 11 minus 2. Again, parehas naman ng sign. So, ang mangyayari dyan is addition. Pag-a-addin natin. Addition, but the sign is negative. Okay? So, negative 11 minus 2 magiging 11 plus 2 is equals to 13. Negative 13. Okay? So, ganun lang.